Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this beautiful hair from Ali Sugar. I'm so excited about this hair because guys, look at the frontal. This is like the best frontal I've ever received. Look how I first received it, guys. There's been no plucking or anything. It's literally one of the best frontals I've received ever. Like, look, it's not thick at all. So this plucking process literally took like 20 minutes, if that. So right now, this is going to be like a beginner kind of video. As you can see, I'm excited because I made this wig right to my hairline. My hairline comes so forward. It's like, my hairline's a mess, like it's done out here, literally. I'm always having to basically like shave off my edges when it comes to wigs because like that's another story. Anyways, so what I'm doing now is I'm just plucking away what needs to be plucked. I've seen loads of like YouTube girls do this when they apply it to their heads. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to wigs, guys. So I'm just following what I see in the videos. Like I said, this is beginner friendly. So you're literally going to see me go through the process of styling this on my head. So what I'm doing now is literally using this powder. A subscriber actually gave me this powder. She tried to get me the ebony bronzer, but as you know, that it's all like discontinued. So shout out to you for sending me this powder because it really works on my wigs, so thank you so much. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just applying it back to my head again to see how it fits and stuff like that. Like I said before, I don't know what I'm doing. Like even this, I saw someone cut their lace like this and that's what I'm doing. And I saw them do it in like a jagged line. Instead of doing it in like a straight line, I do it like in a zigzag line now, and it does make a difference. Let me not lie, it does make a massive difference, guys.
That all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is make them sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we all that you and me could never be together.
Oh, so I wanted a side parting. So I'm just seeing how the side part looks. Sorry, I'm all up in the camera, guys. My mirror was literally down there. So what I'm using is rubbing alcohol, and I don't know if this is good or bad to use on your skin. I doubt it very much that it's good. But I'm using this because it's an easy way to take my makeup off, and you'll see like how much makeup comes off. Like, come on now. So I'm literally adjusting it to my head again to see how it all looks and stuff like that. And I'm really proud of this wig. Like, come on now. It looks cute, you gotta admit. So this is like the most important part where I always go, well, I used to go wrong. So just follow with me, guys. So pull down a bit of hair. This is how you cut around your ear with the lace. What I've learned anyways, you pull down a little bit of hair. And it takes concentration, like clip your hair back, guys, and literally just cut around your ear. It sounds simple, but to get this right, it does take some practice, I won't lie. And then just put the hair back over your ear, and that's how it is, literally like that. And that's literally how I do it anyways. It might not be the correct way, but it's the way that works for me. Okay. Anyways, so I'm using the Got To Be spray. I hate the gel. Hate is such a strong word. I dislike the gel very much. I find this is so much easier, especially when drying, because it doesn't dry white. I use my fan that I got from Amazon, and I literally just used it's like a fan to cool you down, basically. I don't use heat. Heat makes it dry white, I've realised. So I just use that, and it may take a bit longer, but it's so much more easier when you apply it and stuff like that. So I'm just literally going with it so it just dries and all of that. And yeah, as you can see, it sticks down perfectly. It's so much easier than using the gel, using the spray at the same time, using all of that. It's just so long. Then I'm going in with some mousse. And what this helps me with is flyaways. So I just literally just go in with some mousse, and then I just comb it back, and that is literally it. So it's just nice and neat. Yes, and there you go. And then I start on with the other side, which is the middle. I did end up just gelling down the middle and then going in with curling it. But then I changed my mind, and then like you'll see in a minute, I changed my mind, and then I wanted to like gel down the other half of my hair, which is that part there that I'm fiddling with. Only because when I do side parts, I don't see the reason of gelling down your hair if it's not going to show. But I changed my mind. I had like a change of heart because I really like this wig and I wanted to see how it fit, like with it all gelled down perfectly and whatnot. So as you can see, I've got my scarf on. Not my scarf, this is tights, old tights I put on my head. Loads of people ask me what they are. They're tights, guys. Literally just cut your tights and that is it. I'm using my Remington curling wand. I'm going with some curls. Oh my days, you see my face. I was excited like when the curls came out because they were so pretty. Look, oh, so cute. So I went in again and the curls came out perfectly. But then I got lazy and I couldn't be bothered to curl anymore. So I curled like part of the hair. This hair would have been beautiful if I sat there and curled my hair for a good hour. But when it comes to curling and straightening, like I said, I like to stay there for 10 minutes and I get bored. I get bored so easily. So as you can see, I'm just looking how it looks up. And I said to myself, do you know what, let me just gel this down. So I ended up gelling that part down also. So that's what you're going to see now.
That all they do is sit and think my name. When all that I do is make love. Sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe it. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we all that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never, said never.
Okay, so I am going back in with my dirty little tights. They're not dirty, they're just full of gel. So I'm going back in with some curling action going on, and literally 5 minutes later, there you go. There you have it. Literally, that is it. Oh, this is my favourite part. I love this part when it comes to my wig. So I'm going in with my flat iron. Hot comb. That's what you call it, hot comb. Yeah, hot comb. I'm going in with that, and then I'm going in with this wax stick. This is from Hair by Sharpay, and that's the girl that did my hair in my last vlog. I love this stick that she's got. Go purchase it. I'll list down the link below. And then you literally just go in with your hot comb again, and just literally flattens down and sleeks down your hair. Just look at that. That is pretty. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is cute. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
That all they do is sit and think my name. When all that I do is make love. Sit and think about my baby.